What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Carolina Styles, and I am back with another video. Hey, man, it's homecoming. Today is homecoming, man. South Carolina State homecoming, man. We ain't doing nothing too major, but we ain't doing that small neither. So as you can tell on the flow here, yes, sir, been moving behind the scenes. So I know it's actually homecoming when I'm doing this stuff, which is crazy, and I'm tired because I had to move a lot of stuff. And I'm changing a lot of stuff, so this is going to be like two parts of the video. I might shoot the show, might not shoot the show. Honestly, I ain't really worried about shooting the show. I'm just worried about getting the footage, letting y'all know what's going on with the Yukon, like I always do, man. You know what I'm saying? So I had to spoil myself a little bit for passing my CDL test, man. So I decided to go ahead and get my system done. I'm actually on the way right now after I carry that heavy behind speaker down there. And my 5K, ooh, did I say it? Yeah, I said my 5K. And down there to the truck, man, this is the last little things that I had to grab out my apartment before I go. So go ahead and grab all this stuff. Go ahead and head down here to my builder. Go ahead and pick up my box, and then I'll pick y'all up once I get the box, pouring everything in the car. So see y'all. Probably want to get in my doghouse because I got to take all the interior out just so I can run it like I want to. But hey, y'all know, man. We ain't doing we can't have no wires showing. I ain't with all that. Anyway, man, I'm doing too much talking. I gotta get on this road. Let's get it. All right, guys, so it's been about a week since I made that part of the video, and I didn't record nothing. I didn't record none of the show. I just met up with a bunch of people that I ain't seen in a little minute, talk to them, you know what I'm saying, have fun. One of my closest friends, best friends, and you know, we just all just chill out, had a good time, you know what I'm saying? But it wasn't supposed to be about Stay Homecoming. It was supposed to be about me putting in the system. So I did not show y'all me putting in the whole system process. And so basically what I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and go outside. And I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a little preview of what's going on with the system. Go ahead and show y'all how it look inside the truck. Then I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a demo. And that'll be the end of the day's video. So make sure y'all stay tuned to see what's going on with the Yukon over there. Hey. She got a little pressure going on, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, let's go ahead and show y'all what's going on with the Yukon. Go ahead and show y'all how the box and stuff is looking. Feel me? Yeah, man, so I got my box right there. It's tuned for 32 hertz. Of course, I got my one Resilient Sound 18 Platinum, 2 ohm V1, and I got an 8-inch port. It's 21 inches in length. The box is just the size I really wanted to. I didn't tell my builder. Shout out to Malik, my builder, you know what I'm saying, for my box. I really appreciate you, man. It's hitting for what it is, especially with no electricals. I have no electricals in the vehicle so far. It's sitting on a base. It's playing on a base 5K right now. Zero gauge all around the truck. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm about to go ahead and give y'all a demo real quick on the outside, and you know what I'm saying, that'll be the end of today's video. So just y'all stay tuned. Y'all let me know, drop it down in the comment section what y'all think about the setup and what it's doing right now, you know what I'm saying? Just remember, I don't have no high power alternator yet. I don't have my battery bank yet. The bass knob wasn't even turned all the way up. It was like 3/4, because anything over 3/4, it start clipping. The radio is tuned strictly by me, and the amp is tuned by me and my brother. Just know it now, yeah, I done had speakers in my days, but I'm not full knowledge on tuning. So just know that with my tune, start off No battery except for the battery underneath the hood, and it's doing that already. Y'all see the doors. Y'all see all the doors shaking and flexing a little bit. Y'all see the window and the third brake light flexing. So just know that stuff can take a whole lot more power than what I'm throwing at it. And once I get them electricals right, she's going to be a beast. I'm trying to tell y'all. But that's the end of today's video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that notification button up. Come rock with the Styles Gang. Y'all know my slogan. Y'all know how I get down. 2023 was my year. 2024, we doing some more, baby. In 2025, we on the rise. Remix on the truck is now full in effect, and it's coming soon. Y'all already know what time it is, man. So just be a little bit patient with it. But y'all know it's coming real soon, man. This your boy, Carolina Styles, man. I'm signing out. Peace. Oh, got another video dropping this week, so stay tuned for that one. If you don't like talking, you might as well skip that one, because I'm going to give y'all an opinion about something that I feel. Anyway, this your boy, Carolina Styles, signing out. Peace.